In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a rear upper control arm on a Nissan Maxima. It is located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Now let's remove our rear wheel. I'll be using a 21mm socket to remove the 5 lug nuts. Now that my wheel's out of the way, I'm going to locate my upper control arm. I'm going to follow it till I reach this metal bracket that's holding our ABS wire, held on by a 10mm bolt. Go ahead and remove that. Set the bolt aside and set the bracket aside as well. Now before we move along any further, I'm going to support the suspension using a stand. Now I made my way to the back side of the upper control arm. To the mounting point on the subframe, I'm going to remove the nut using a 18mm on a ratchet. Our bolt is spinning with the nut, so I'm going to secure the other side using a 18mm wrench. Now I'm going to remove our bolt by giving it some light taps with a hammer. Now I'm going to fully remove it using a pry bar. Now let's do the same with our other bolt connecting to the knuckle. Break it free using your 18mm. Secure the other side with your wrench and remove the nut. Now remove the control arm from the vehicle. Now I'm going to put my new control arm into place. And install our new hardware. If it does not line up, you could tap it with a rubber mallet. Now we're going to move back to the subframe and reinstall our bolt. Now let's go ahead and snug them down. Now let's torque this down to 87 foot-pounds. Now remove your wrenches. Now we're going to do the same with the bolt that connects to the knuckle and torque it down to 87 foot-pounds. Now we can reinstall our ABS wire bracket bolt. Align the tab and make sure it's flush on the arm, and hand thread on your bolt. Now just snug it down. Now make sure it's secure. Now we're going to lower our support stand from our suspension. And fully remove it. Now let's reinstall our wheel. Now we're going to hand thread on our 5 21mm lug nuts. Now we're going to snug these down in a crisscross pattern. Now we're going to torque these down to 83 foot-pounds in a crisscross pattern. And that completes our install. Don't forget to head to your local shop and get a 4-wheel alignment. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.